Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2017 Honda Civic EX in lunar silver. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, shark fin antenna, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 24,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6237A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.